Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito naman po yung ko para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful letter reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan sinusubaybay na Renzo Tara Channel. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Ang ating pong reading na pagkasamahan ay para po sa ating mga pinakamahalan na sa sign ng Aries. Okay? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. May kami ka-shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Alright, ulitin ko po ha. This is a reading. Ano pang dapat asahan, mensahe, ang mga ganap na dapat yung abangan, mga pinakamahal natin nasa sign ng Aries. Okay, last shuffle for you, Aries, at kunin na natin ang iyong 10 cards. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Aries. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. Maraming salamat po ha sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po ako iniiwan. Sabi ko nga, utang na loob ko kung saan man tayo makarating. And kung wala po kayo, ay wala po ang Renzo Tarot channel ngayon. Alright. Sige Aries, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. Let's begin with your first card, Aries, which is the King of Pentacles. Okay, this is a very beautiful opening card because King of Pentacles signifies abundance, prosperity, and more blessings that is coming on your way. Maybe Aries, for the past months, 3 to 6 months ago, it seems na parang malabo ang lahat, parang walang dumadating. It seems that everything is falling into pieces for you. Pero ngayon, alam ko nararamdaman mo ito starting ng this, aside from this Aries season, kumbaga, malaki ang pinagbago. Alright, so hindi man to biglaan, hindi man malakihan yung dumadating, but at least there's progress na nangyayari. There's growth that is happening on the side of your finances. And matutuloy-tuloy ito. It's just a matter of patience and faith, and of course, focus. Focus lang. You don't need to be distracted, Aries. And with the King of Pentacles here, tuloy-tuloy na yung abundance, stability in terms of finances na mararanasan mo. Alright? Pangalawa, we're talking about money here talaga. Mabibisi kayo sa mga transaction, mga pag-uusap, communication that involves money. Maybe, are you planning to apply for a loan? May inaantay kayong lump sum money, benefit, ano ba to? Pension, it's something about na parang pinaprocess mo, may mga papers kang inasikaso, may mga taong kinokontak ka, nagsisend ka ng email, you're calling them, everything na parang there's a transaction happening or may communication na may kinalaman sa pera. But if you're doing this, Aries, and if nakaka-resonate ka kahit nangyayari ito ngayon, so expect a very favorable result for you, Aries, okay? It's because, sabi ko nga, with the King of Pentacles here, abundance, so it's an overdue. Matagal mo na itong inaantay and it is bound to come on your way or parating to para sa iyo, okay? Just focus and prepare yourself, okay? We have here the Death card. So we know the Death card is ending. And if there's an ending, this is a rebirth, okay? This is a transformation. This is a new beginning for you. Okay, Death card signifies ending, pagtatapos. Tatanggalin ng universe yung mga sitwasyon, mga pagkakataon, mga tao, kung ano man na nagpapahirap sa'yo, na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo in the long run. Maybe you're entertaining or you're still nakatali pa rin kayo sa mga tao, sitwasyon, trabaho, friendship, relationship na hindi healthy, toxic. Instead na mag-grow ka, instead na masaya ka and contented ka, bakit? It's the other way around ang nararanasan mo. It seems that parang mas lalong sumasakit ang ulo mo. Parang mas lalo kang napapalayo sa goals mo. And with the Death card here, everything will be finished, everything will be ended for the better. Alright? So, whether you like it or not, Aries, may mga sitwasyon tatanggalin sa universe and kailangan mo itong tanggapin. And for you to move forward, to face the new reality na paparating sa'yo. Okay? Death card ending and there's a rebirth. Walang matatapos, walang matatanggal kung walang kapalit na mas maganda. Alright? Aries? Sige. Pangapat, we have here the Strength card. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, you don't need to be distracted. This is not the best time to back out. This is not the best time para panghinaan ng loob. Because with this strength card here, everything that you're going to do, whatever you're planning, ano man iniisip mo na gustong gawin, with this strength card here, malalagpasan mo ito. Okay, you're the kind of person na matapang, walang sinusukuan. Everything ay talagang pinapasok mo ng puno ng confidence. Okay, and this is a Leo card here. So imagine, here you are, na-tame mo or napapaamo mo ang isang leon. So this is a wild animal. So imagine the skills that you have or the courage or yung tapang na meron ka para mapaamo ito. So it means that you have something, Aries, na wala yung iba. So tuloy lang, no backing out, there's no reason para mag-give up at this moment. Alright? So panglima, for you is we have here the Eight of Swords. Okay, I know, Aries, that you really wanted freedom. Matagal ka nang nakatali sa isang sitwasyon na toxic, walang growth, hindi ka masaya. It seems na parang sabi ko, paulit-ulit na lang yung cycle ng problema, ng betrayal, ng pagtatraitor, ng mga, alam mo, mga sasakit, ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo. And you really want to move forward. Ito yung nakikita natin dito. And sabi ko nga, just a matter of strength. And with the death card here, tapos na ito. Okay, everything will be, you're going to gain the independence, the freedom that you're longing for. After all those struggles, hindi pwedeng forever na lang ganito yung sitwasyon mo. Alright? So, with the Eight of Swords here, yes, I respect your situation. Hindi madali ang lahat. Okay? But at least I admire you for the courage na lumabas na or kumilos na, gumawa na ng paraan para makaalis dyan sa sitwasyon na yan na talagang nagtitrain sa'yo or talagang lumulog mo or nagpapalubog sa buhay mo, Aries. Alright? Sige. And now, Aries, before we proceed to our last 5 cards in the second row, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo, di po nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Maraming salamat po. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444, wag rin po kayo mayang mag-follow. And if you want to avail a private reading, kayo po yung unang mag-message sa akin, hindi po ako yung unang mag-message sa inyo to offer private reading. Kung meron man pong tao na chat po sa inyo to over private reading, scammer po yan, nagagaya po ng account natin. And doble ingat po kayo sapagkat may mga nabiktima na po tayong mga soulmates. So please, kayo po ang unang mag-message sa akin sa aking TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444, or you send me an email sa renzabati94@gmail.com. Alright, let's continue, Aries, with this very beautiful reading, pang-anim mong baraha, Three of Swords. Okay, hindi talaga ma-i-deny dito, Aries. Okay, there's really a situation na talagang mabigat na dinadala mo. May kalungkutan, may disappointment. Unang-una, ikaw connect ka dito sa King of Pentacles. Okay, one of the disappointment or parang heartbreak na naranasan is because you really want to improve yourself in terms of finances. Okay, pera. Pera pinag-usapan natin dito, Aries. Okay, sabi ko, although meron ka, meron naman, but still hindi siya sapat or you really wanted more. Okay, next is the current situation na parang there's something in you na may hinahanap ka na parang gusto mong pumuno dito sa nararamdaman mong space sa puso mo. Okay, you have everything, sabi ko nga, although hindi man perfecto, hindi man talagang yung super bongga na meron ka, but bakit may hinahanap ka na parang hindi mo maintindihan? And with this Eight of Swords, yung sinasabi ko na you really want to be free from that certain situation. Alright, with the Three of Swords, you cannot deny here na talagang you are in the state of being broken-hearted or being disappointed here. Okay? But sabi ko ulit, of course, disappointments are normal. Frustrations are normal. Even betrayals na nangyari ay talagang parte yan ng buhay natin sa mundo. But what we should focus here is sabi ko with the Death card here, everything will be finished. That's part of, dadaan lang yan, tapos din yan. And I know that you can do this. Okay, kayang-kaya mo ng this Strength card here. And ang focus natin dito, itong King of Pentacles, abundance and stability, financial stability na makakamtan mo. Right? So, sige. Pang-pito, tingnan mo, Ace of Cups, new beginning. There's a new partnership, new collaboration, new business ideas, creativity na papasok o may isipan mo. Maaring may gusto kang gawin, patagal mo nang gustong gawin na maaring simulan mo na ngayon, Aries. Okay? If you're looking for a sign para simulan na o kumilos na, yes, with the Ace of Cups here, it's a yes here. And Ace of Cups signifies a new beginning. Okay, muling pagsimula. Walang masama sa muling pagsisimula as long as dala natin, bit-bit natin yung mga lesson na natutunan natin sa past, failures, and disappointments na naranasan natin. Aris, there's nothing wrong with starting all over again. But believe me, okay, the reason why you're going to start all over again is because you are looking for much better. And better days are coming for you. Alright, so tuloy-tuloy lang na ito, Aris, okay? Six of Wands. Victory, success, good news, tagumpay ay makakamit mo. Okay. That's why death card is here. Kaya nga sabi ko, kailangan may tapusan, kailangan may mawala para maging malaya ka, para makabuelo ka. You know? Kasi kung magdidwell ka lang, mag-stay ka lang dyan sa isang bagay na yan, hindi talaga healthy or hindi talaga, kumbaga nakakatulong sa'yo in the long run. Talagang, kung hindi ka kikilos, kung hindi ikaw yung gagawa ng paraan, si universe yung gagawa ng paraan. And ang sad dito ay sometimes, hindi mo magugustuhan ang paraan ng universe. Binigyan ka na ng chance para umalis dyan, Aris, binigyan ka na ng chance para i-give up yung bakit hindi mo ginagawa. And now with the death card, ang kapalit nito ay Six of Wands and Victory. Hindi tatanggal, sabi ko, hindi tatanggalin, hindi mawawala ang isang bagay, hindi matatapos kung walang kapalit na mas maganda. I-claim mo itong Six of Wands, victory, success is coming in your way. With all the endeavors that you're going to do, ano man iniisip mo, mapa-business mo yan, studies, love life, okay, career, job, opportunities. So, make an action, manifest it, success is coming on your way, Aries. Alright? So, sige. Ninth card is Six of Swords. Alright. Strength here, lakasan mo loob mo. This is the best time para kumilos na talaga, Aries. One step at a time, hindi to biglaan, hindi ka ina-advise ng universe na, okay, bukas mag-move on ka na, tapos kalimutan mo yun. Of course, hindi ganon. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman madali ang lahat. But, Aries, you are being reminded here with the Six of Swords na slowly, tanggalin mo yung mga swords na nagpapabigat sa'yo. Bit-bitin mo yan at unti-unti kang pumadyak, unti-unti kang kumilos papalayo. Kasi kung mag-stay ka na lang dyan, forever na, ma-stuck ka sa sitwasyon na yan, walang mangyayaring growth and abundance sa buhay mo. Okay? With the Six of Swords here, masakit man, yes, paisa-isa lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Hindi ito biglaan. But believe me, kapag nagawa mo yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan, magugulat ka one day you're going to wake up, healed ka na pala, naka-move forward ka na. And more on positivity, more on good news, more on opportunities naman ang bubuo sa'yo. Malayong malayo sa dating ikaw, Aris, na you will be saying na, wow, grabe, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, ang layo ng buhay ko sa sitwasyon nito ngayon. Okay? Do your best. Walang mangyayari kung hindi ka kikilos or hindi ko magagawa ng paraan. Aries, that and last card mo. Tapusin natin itong napakaganda mong reading with the King of Cups. Okay? Aside from stability, authority, level up, elevation of a position is waiting for you. If there's some Aries na nanonood ngayon na you're waiting for a sign for promotion, yes, this is the best sign. Okay? Push for it. Magma-masters ka, mag-aral ka muli, mag-branch out ka ng business o kung ano man, lilipat ka ng trabaho, lilipat ka ng ibang lugar. Yes, because King of Cups signifies abundance, stability. Okay? So there's no reason for you to worry. There's no reason, Aris, para magduda ka. Okay? Kaya ka na nanonood dito ngayon because you want guidance. At least there's part of your life na naniniwala ka sa mga ganito. And i-claim mo ito. I-embrace mo ito. Okay? Because walang mangyayari kung manonood ka lang nito at hindi mo sasamahan ng faith. Alright, Aris? I'm wishing you all the best in life. I hope you and pray na marami na sa yung Aries sa mga kapwa dito ngayon. Thank you so much sa iyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pumahal, mga Aries Close Soulmates. Nasaan man kayo naroon hanggang susunod at ipakikita, mag-iingat po kayo lagi. God bless us all.